feels like a resort while home. This updated 2-story condo offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths and 1 half bath. It features an open floor plan with granite countertops and SS appliances. Freshly painted with newer windows and sound neutralizing storm door downstairs. Washer/dryer replaced 2 years ago. Convey. 2 balconies for enjoying the amazing water views and all the action on the Elizabeth River. You can even have a grill. Admirals Landing has great amenities, beautiful pool, hot tub, gym, billiards room, library, the captain's quarters, conference room, game court with shuffleboard, and pickleball court. Located in Olde Towne, just blocks to some of the best restaurants in Hampton Roads. Easy access to the new seawall boardwalk from the pool deck. Lastly, the Ferry Boat on High Street Landing is next door. Cruise on over to Waterside for all the festivals, events, restaurants and shops.